just gonna do some random folds.
What's she gonna call it?
I don't know yet. Maybe look at it after. Okay, so I think I've almost finished my plane right here. And comment down below if you think it's gonna fly good.
What you gonna call it?
The what you will call it. Hello.
I'm going to make paper airplane and I do not know what the word is. I'm going to make it.
Oh, and guys, I also made an adjustment to the wings a little. I think it's gonna make it fly better and make it look cooler.
Well, the what you call it looks
Like a what you call it.
nice. Meanwhile, Abe is folding his paper airplane. He does not know what he's gonna call it still.
It's a what you call it. That's
And,
when you don't know what you call it.
And he's trying to think of things he could do to adjust it.
Yeah, it looks pretty plain right now.
Abe's gonna call it the lightning bolt.
You're taking so long.
What's so tiny?
Well,
Okay.
I can't imagine
Well,
that's
just-
so tight.
Go ahead and name it.
Okay, wait. I gotta be done with it and then I can name it.
I think you should name it the Arrow.
The long paper airplane maker.
Why are you making a stunt plane? It's not about the coolest stunt. It's about how far it is.
I know.
This is called
The
Lightning
Arrow.
bolt.
the arrow.
The ball.
No. I want a new name. This is called lightning.
Guys, I'm almost done with my paper airplane, and I'm gonna name it the Crusher. So now that we have all our paper airplanes ready, we're gonna do the contest. And remember, whoever flies it the farthest wins.
Okay, I want to go last. Okay, who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
Okay.
I'm confident. Alright.
Not that way!
Oh.
He's disqualified.
Alright, we're gonna do it that way.
No, we're not. No, we're not. He's disqualified. My turn. I'm a little scared because they've all gone very far. But yeah. 3, 2, 1. No. Whoa! Oh!
Yes! I win, boy! Let's go!
Yeah. Okay, so I'm the ultimate loser of this by like 5 feet. And I'm gonna be eating a jalapeno and a pickle and a cracker mixed together all at one time.
and spicy peanut butter.
Ew.
Dab. And time for the trophy presentation.
This is really weird.
And the winner is me! Hey, give me that trophy! And also, the loser has to have a trophy thrown into their face.
Broke the trophy.
Did you work hard on that?